Okay, so this is showing a process of automatically cutting a part, probing it, evaluating it, and if it's good, continue. If not, restart the same program and cut it to the actual size after probing has modified the offsets. If you look at the current offset for this tool, it's set to 0.4. I'll just set this to 0. So add minus 0.4, enter. Alright, so the tool offset for the finishing tool is now 0. So let's run this program and see how we go. Alright, so that's the program running now. So let's see what it does. So I've already cut this, so it's literally taking the smallest of cuts right now. The machine has already added offsets, so offset change. It's added in that 0.4 again because it's the first time it's been cut, so it's automatically going, I'll cut it big, I'll measure it, and then I'll bring it to size. So right now this part is 0.4 too big, approximately. So the next thing should happen now is a probe will come out and we'll measure it. That should go back. Now the offset change. The offset is now 0.04, so it's dropped it by about 35 microns. I'll show you the program. It's still running. It's restarted, it's reselected it, so it's going again. So the process will loop again. So the next process will be the probe coming back out again. It'll measure it again. This time it should measure it and say, yeah, I'm with intolerance, and end the program. If it measures it and it's still oversized, it'll restart the program, cut it again after it adjusts the offsets, and so actually, yeah, watch, it'll show you the offset again, 0.0488. So after the probe measures it again, it's going to be slightly different, so it's going to actually tweak that offset again. I know this process is slower, but the idea is you can put in your first part, the machine will automatically add stock, it'll cut it, it'll say, oh, I'm too big, change your offsets, measure it. So you're basically getting rid of the operator error. Okay, so that's dropped it by another 0.01. Tool deflection and what have you. But the next time I run it, the offset's tweaked, so it should be more accurate again, and it's blue light. Machine has stopped.